Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have a great song here from Noah Kahan, Porch Light. Alright, so if you want to practice your speed with simple chords, then this is the song to go for. Let's go into it. And we have a capo set on the 7th fret, high up here on the fretboard. 7th to have the easiest chords possible. 4 of them. Let's go through the chords. We're going to start with this F add 9, okay? It makes an add 9 because we're going to have that note throughout the song, this 3rd fret high E. It's going to follow us. So this chord goes to F, 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and that 3rd E. We're going to have the A minor 7 as well, with that added 3rd E. So it goes open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and that 3rd E. Then we have the C, 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and 3rd E. And finally the G add 11. And it goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 1st B, and 3rd E. And there we have it, guys. Okay, so let's learn the basic strumming first. So if you grab the first A minor chord, that's how the song starts. We're gonna play this. Okay, so the first part is the 2 downs. And I like to play the first down on the bass to really mark out the chord. And then the next down, you go down on the higher strings down there. And the rest will be played down there in the mid-higher area. So bass, top, and then you continue with up, down, up. And that is one full round. So down, down, up, down, up. A couple of rounds. And so on. All right. We have that intro / verse play. And you can also get in some notes there if you want to. The basic thing here is to play A minor 7, 2 string rounds, F2, and A minor 4. That will be one chord progression round or strumming around, okay? But we can also add in some notes there. And if you want to do that, we can start with just the basic strumming. And it will be, like I said, A minor, 2, F, 2, and A minor 4. You can also throw in the notes I mentioned. So if you do that, you're going to play A minor, 1 full round plus part 1, which means the 2 downs. And then after that, you're going to add in these notes on the G string. It goes 2nd to open G and 2nd fret D. Okay? So that will be thrown in there. So A minor, slowly like this. And I use a technique here while I play the pull off. So I pick that 2nd G, and I don't pick the open G, I just pull off, okay? From that finger I'm using on the fretboard, I just pull off to get open. That will be a faster way and it's gonna flow better, so. And then I have to, of course, pick the 2nd D. So A minor. Then you go to the F. And you're going to play the same there, 1 full round plus part 1. And then you have 2 notes to aim for, and that will be on the D string, 3rd on D, and open on D. And then you're going to finish off with the A minor, just 4 straight strumming rounds. So together it will be like this slowly. So that will be played in the intro for 2 rounds first, and then you're going to continue with that same playing for the verse. You're going to play for 4 rounds. After that 4 rounds of the first verse, you're going to go into the refrain about 50 seconds in, but it's cold. That's where on the lyrics. What you're going to play here is to play the F 4 string rounds and the A minor 4 string rounds. You're going to do it twice, so back and forth 2 times. Okay, Then you're gonna jump back to the second verse and play the same way there, but only for 2 rounds. And after that second verse, you're gonna go back again to that second refrain and play it a little bit differently, because you're gonna play it F4, A minor, 4, and F4. Okay? And after that, we're gonna go into the chorus. We hit now about 1 minute and 35 seconds into the song. Poisoned, spreading to my lungs. That's where in the lyrics. Sounds very bad, but that's how it is. And now you're gonna play the strumming here straight. 2 string rounds on the A minor, 2 on C, 2 on the G, and 2 on F. And that chord progression is gonna stay for 4 chord progression rounds. Let's do a couple of rounds together, like this. Again, A2, C2, G2, and F2. And the last round you have to finish off yourself. Anyway, that is the first chorus. And then after that first chorus comes the post-chorus part as well. What you're going to play here is to play the F, 2 string rounds. So, and then you're going to play 1 down with pause in between, and then 1 down again. And that pause, the length of it is as if you would play the full strumming, all right? So basically it's kind of 4 string rounds, the length of this full F, but you're gonna play the first 2 rounds with strumming. So down, down. And after that, you're gonna also play 1 round of the verse play with that melody and all that good stuff. And that in total would be the post-chorus parts. All right. Then into the second round kind of thing going on here, because we have jumped back and forth between these verse and refrain, but still it's kind of the second round. You're gonna go now into the third verse. That is where we are technically. And what you're gonna play here is the same as the other verses, only for 2 rounds again. So in the same way as the second verse, you can say. And after that, we're gonna go into this third refrain. You're gonna play that in the same way as the second one we learned. So the F, A, and F. And after that, we're gonna go and hit the third chorus, and that, second chorus, and that is played in the same way as the first one. 4 rounds of that A minor, C, G, and F. And then we hit this second post-chorus part, and it's a little bit different there. You're gonna start in the same way with the F. You're gonna play it for 2 string rounds, plus the down, pause, and down, pause. And then you're gonna play 2 more rounds of the chorus play. Okay, not the verse. The chorus play for 2 more rounds. Then we're gonna hit the final stages of the song. It's the third chorus played exactly in the same way as the previous choruses. 4 rounds of that A minor, C, G, and F. And then finally you're gonna end with that outro. You're gonna stay on the F and play 2 string rounds first. And then you're gonna end with 3 downs with pauses in between. 3 downs like this. Down, down, down. And that will be the end of Noah Kahan's Porch Light. Alright, hope you enjoyed it, guys. A nice tutorial to do for you guys, and if it was helpful, then let me know. Leave me a comment like this one, and be back for next upload. Till then, play tuned.